Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Kale. I am a tarot card reader, I am a runes reader, and for today our question will be how are will be our finances in the upcoming time. So will be all about financial related to finance, money, prosperity related to your money growth investments. Yes, so let's start. So I've just shuffled up my cards, so I will start with this. Okay, yeah. So here we have 1 2 3. So I will first keep this and this over here. So I would like to suggest to everyone that just look at all these three crystals carefully. Just try to understand which crystal is attracting you, which crystal is calling you towards it. So just have a look for 1 or 2 or 3 seconds and understand which crystal you want to choose. Okay, so we'll start. I hope every month must have chosen the crystals. We'll start from here. And okay, so these are the two cards. First we will understand these two cards. So now 8 of cups and 10 of swords. First we will like to understand the cards individually. So 8 of cups, when we talk about 8 of cups, all of you can see over here this man is looking somewhere, is looking for something, that shows that you are, or you might be wanting something, you are waiting for some kind of financial decision to be taken, or some related news to finance, or you if your money might be stuck somewhere, you are waiting for that money to come to yourself through a different mode. Apart from that, it also indicates a type of built relation with people that cups are telling us. And the waterfall, yes, and we can say the flow of money towards you will be definitely there. But when we talk about 10 of swords, you might be feel betrayed. So here, if you are waiting for money, here you there are possibilities that you might not get that money. There might be delay in receiving the money. You will definitely get it, but there will be delay. So the possible chances of delay, and you might be feeling demotivated because of it. So there is chance of this. But yes, overall the situation would be temporary, because this indicates hope from everywhere. As we see, yes, the positivity is there. Or if you are waiting, or if you have lended money to someone and you are waiting for it, so there might be delay. That is also one of the possibilities. And if we talk about investment, so you should not hurry in making investments in upcoming time related to money, like purchasing of shares, or a risk. You should avoid all the risk activities related to finance in the upcoming time, because 10 of swords are saying that you might not be able, or you might not be successful in that. So do not hurry things. Wait for a month or 1.5 months time, and then try to invest. That will definitely give you nice good results about your money. You will get good fruits also. But do not hurry for anything. Do not take any kind of risk if you are not confident. Do not rush into anything. That is very much for sure. And the comparison, if we talk about, yes, what you have enough. It is not you have what you want. You have the amount of money required. You are using it properly. But in the upcoming time, you have to use it very carefully. You shouldn't take any risk. You shouldn't do such kind of investments which you are not sure about, because then you might feel that you are cheated, and you might not get expected returns out of it. And then, so this is the basic idea that about your finances. I have given you just an overview about both the cards. Once again, is that there might be delay for what you are waiting related to your finance. So do not rush for anything. If you want to invest your money somewhere, yes, you can invest, but do not take any unwanted risk. Avoid taking risk which for which there is no necessity. Okay, so this is the reading for your cards. Okay, so we'll move on to here. Okay, so we have a card called as all beverages. We won't be using it. We'll be pulling up another card. Okay, so here we have 5 of cups and king of cups. So when we talk about 5 of cups, that so there is a possibility that you might lose what you have with you. Not exactly we can say lose, but you might just do unnecessary expenses which might create problem for you. You might lose your money in unwanted expenses, or you might not make right decisions about money. But yes, king of cups, when we talk about king of cups, we can say that the vision is very much clear. There is a clarity in vision. You know what you want to do, you know where you have to put your money. But yes, here the situation would be temporary in 5 of cups. If we talk about that, if you hold on till that time, if you hold on your money, if you avoid unnecessary expenses, definitely your money will be with you. And you know where you have to invest. You exactly have that clarity. You are not a person who is money oriented, but yes, you know what is basic need for you, how you have to use your money. You have all the idea, and you have been doing it for a long period of time. You also know that you also might be aware that your money, whatever you have invested, are giving you good returns. But again, using it, or over here, if you want to use that money or you want to save it, that is totally in your hand. The call is totally yours. I don't see any kind of if you invest your money, it will be definitely beneficial for you. If you spend it unnecessarily, or if you don't take proper knowledge about your money, it might not be turn out good for you. That is very much we can understand from this reading. And yes, so if we compare both the cards, so this might be you who is aware about each and every perspective of your money, from where you are. So you are aware that from this source you are going to get money. You are aware that okay, I have made so much investments, I'll get return out of it. I have my assets which are giving me rents. So you are totally aware about your money. You also know, this is showing that you also know that the money which is going to come from here, where might you lose. This you can see, this is spelled off. So you might lose your money if not kept properly. You have to keep it properly, otherwise you might feel that you have or you might lose it unnecessarily. So that is where you have to be very much careful about your finances. So that is the guidance for people with this, those who are attracted to this. Moving on to the third one. Okay. Oh, so very beautiful. So we have 9 of rods. You have ace of cups. So first we'll start with 9 of rods. So you have defended your money very properly. Though you have been struggling with financial issues, financial problems, but yes, at the end of the day, you have given your best and tried to keep your money safe with you, and not allowing anyone to take it away very easily, or not allowing anyone to interfere into your financial aspects very easily. That is for sure. So here I can see you have really struggled related to your finances, and here I can see a very good opportunity, and or a very good opportunity to start something new. So you can use the money that you have kept safely with yourself. So you can use it for something, you can use it, like you can invest it, and it will definitely give you good returns. That is, if you invest it properly, it will definitely give you good returns. Ace of Cups, we are able to see a new hope with your money, a new a chance of getting a financial news, very much is also expected. So you can expect some good news related to your money or finance. That is very much must awaited for you. And yes, so if we compare both the cards together, we can definitely say, either whatever you have earned, or whatever you have earned, or whatever you are getting, your salary, your profits, or anything, you have kept it properly away from people, you have kept it safe for you, yourself, and for your family. Or we can compare like this way also. So you have been struggling from a long period of time to save your money, you have saved something, and here you can use it for a good purpose and to increase your fortune. So this is how both the ways we have compared for number 3, this crystal, for this, because both the possibilities are there, that it can be vice versa in this way also, or it can be this way also. So we don't want to understand just the basic, but we can go through both the possibilities. And yes, a very good advice for the third crystal, that whatever you might be facing difficulties in finance, so you don't need to worry, because your hard earned will never go away so easily, because you have been trying. That is the best quality. Though there are a lot of difficulties, lot of obstacles, but you are trying hard. That is, trying is the best thing to do. There is always hope. So you are trying, and the efforts that you are giving will give you a good fortune, will help you to build, will help you to succeed, will increase your finance. You can build, you can work on your finance, you can take guidance from people. Here guidance will also help you. If you take proper guidance from people, to invest your money, to save your money, it will be very fruitful for you. So yes, so we have covered all the 3 crystals whichever you are attracted to, and I hope all of you have enjoyed the reading, you all have enjoyed the today's advice that I have given to all of you. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.